Hello friends, today I will tell you about Lofted Boss feature, that how to use Lofted Boss feature in SOLIDWORKS. So let's get started. First of all, we will click on new, then click on part, then click on OK. Lofted Boss. By Lofted Boss, we can add material between two or more profiles to create a solid feature. So first of all, we will create a profile. For creating any profile, we have to create plane first. So I will create plane, select this plane, go into feature, click and plane, put the value and OK. The plane has been created. I will create another plane parallel to this plane. Same method, click on plane, put the value and OK. Show the top plane. Now I have three planes. It means I will create three profiles. Okay, so then we will go in sketch, click on sketch, select the top plane, click on rectangle, click, right click, select. Okay, I have created one profile. Now I will create second profile on this plane and go in sketch, click on sketch, select this plane, make it normal, make circle, then OK. Second profile also has been created. Now I will create three profile on this plane. Go sketch, click on sketch, select this plane, make it normal. Click on rectangle, right click, out of sketch. Okay. As you can see, I have created three profiles. Now we'll go in feature, Lofted Boss, select first profile, then second profile and third profile. The object has been created. We can twist the feature, we can twist the model by moving this. So I will put it here. This is the simple Lofted Boss feature. There are many options like guide curves, Centerline parameters and thin features. About these options I will tell you step by step. So keep watching. Click on OK. Thank you. How to create Lofted Boss based feature using Centerline parameter. First of all, we will create path for Lofted Boss. Select front plane, click on sketch, make the path, using SP line. right click, out of the sketch, click on OK. Then we will create profile on the top plane, click on sketch, make it normal, click center rectangle, select this point, click on OK. Second profile we will create on this point. So for creating profile on this point, we have to create a plane first. So let's create plane. Go into feature, reference geometry, and click on plane. Select this line and select this point. Click OK. Now go into sketch, click on sketch, select this plane, make it normal, insert center rectangle, OK. Now go into feature, click Lofted Boss base, select first profile, then second profile, click center and parameter, select, click here and select this line. Your object is ready using Centerline parameter. Click on OK. You can hide this plane. Thank you. How to create Lofted Boss base feature using guide curves. First of all, we will create two profiles. So let's create. Select top plane, click on sketch, draw the circle, the value 100 mm, then click on OK. For second profile, we have to create plane first. So let's create. Select this plane, go into feature, reference geometry, then click on plane, put the value, then OK. Go into sketch, click on sketch, select this plane, make it normal, draw the ellipse, click on OK. I have created two profiles, so now we need to create guide curves. So select front plane, click on sketch, make it normal, click spline for guide curves, select this point, right click for out of sketch, click on OK. Create second guide curves, click on sketch, select front plane, make it normal, insert line for guide curve, and click here, and then right click for out sketch, click OK. Now we have created two profiles and two guide curves. Now we'll go into feature and click on Lofted Boss, select first profile, then select second profile, then click here, select first guide curve and select second guide curve. Object is ready using guide curves, then OK. Hide the plane. Thank you. How to use thin feature within Lofted Boss page. First of all, we will create two profiles which I have already created. First profile is created on top plane, as you can see, and second profile is on plane 1. So now we will click on Lofted Boss, select one profile, then select second profile. For making it hollow, we will click on thin feature. As you can see, the part is hollow right now. There are three options for direction. First is one direction, second is mid plane, and third is two direction. I will choose mid plane for example. The profile in mid and thickness is added both of sides of the profile. If I choose first one direction, you can change the direction by clicking here like this. You can change the value of thickness from here like this. The value has been change of thickness. Like this you can choose, like this you can use the thin feature in Lofted Boss. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have liked my video, then please like it, and if you are not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it and press bell icon also. Thank you.